In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit data model in the Power BI desktop. Before we jump in, it's helpful to understand that your approach can vary based on how your data was brought into Power BI. Different connectors, like Excel, CSV, or a database, will look a little different, but the core idea is the same. You adjust the data source and query settings through the Power Query Editor, and those changes flow into your data model. Let's walk through a common scenario using an Excel file as the source. Start by opening your report in Power BI Desktop and look toward the top ribbon. Choose Transform Data. This opens the Power Query Editor, which is the place where you shape and manage how your data comes into the model. Think of it as the control room for your queries and connections. Inside the Power Query Editor, locate the Queries pane on the left. Click on the table that contains the data you want to edit. When you select a table, you'll see a preview of the data in the center, which is helpful for confirming you're working with the right query. Now, focus on the pane on the right, labeled Applied Steps. This lists everything Power BI has done to that query in the order it happened. The first item in the list is typically named Source. This is the foundational step that defines where your data comes from. To review or change it, double-click Source. A dialog opens showing the current source type and the location of the file. Here you can verify the path, confirm the file, and, if needed, browse to a different location or file. This is especially useful if the source file was moved, renamed, or replaced, because updating the source here ensures your model keeps pointing to the correct location. As you make changes in the source dialog, remember that you're adjusting the connection for that specific query. The preview will update accordingly, and the changes will be reflected in the data model once the query is refreshed. If your source isn't Excel, you'll still see a similar source step, just tailored to that connector. The principle remains the same. Double-click Source to view and control where the data is coming from. That's all there is to it. Use Transform Data to get into Power Query, pick the table you want, and open the source step to review or adjust the file and location. This keeps your model accurate and your report dependable, without introducing unnecessary complexity.